Hello guys, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Grubhub's account. To log into your Grubhub's account, firstly open your Google search. Type in Grubhub's login and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Click on the first link shown on the page. The login page of Grubhub's account will appear on the screen. To log in, enter your email address and password associated with your Grubhub's account. After entering your email address as well as password, click on Sign In. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Reset Password. Tap on Keep Me Signed In if you want your ID to be remembered next time you log into your account. This is how you can log into your Grubhub's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was useful to you. Thank you so much for watching.